The art of creating a plant wall. Welcome to Plant Care, where we explore the beauty of bringing nature indoors. In this video, we will delve into the art of creating a stunning plant wall that will transform any space into a vibrant living masterpiece. Join us as we discover the benefits of a plant wall, learn essential tips for maintenance, and explore creative ways to arrange different plant species. Witness the beauty and serenity that a plant wall can bring to your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on all things plant-related. Let's get started. Transform any wall into a vibrant living masterpiece with a plant wall. One fascinating aspect of creating a plant wall is the vast array of plant species that can be utilized to achieve a stunning visual impact. Varieties ranging from luscious trailing vines to vibrant flowering plants can be chosen to suit both personal preferences and the specific lighting conditions of the chosen wall location. By carefully selecting a diverse mix of plant types, textures, and colors, a living masterpiece can be cultivated to provide interest and beauty throughout the year. Furthermore, the benefits of a plant wall extend beyond its aesthetic appeal. This green installation can serve as a natural air purifier, enhancing indoor air quality by reducing levels of harmful toxins and increasing oxygenation. The balanced microclimate created by a plant wall promotes a sense of tranquility and well-being in its surroundings, contributing to a healthier and more vibrant living environment. From a design perspective, the structure and layout of a plant wall are crucial to its success. Vertical gardens can be tailored to fit a range of spaces, from small urban apartments to large commercial buildings, with modular systems offering flexibility and ease of maintenance. Incorporating irrigation systems and adequate lighting solutions ensures that the plants thrive and flourish, transforming an ordinary wall into a dynamic and ever-evolving work of art. In addition to their visual and health benefits, plant walls also hold ecological significance by increasing greenery in urban areas. These installations contribute to biodiversity, attract beneficial pollinators, and create habitat for birds and insects. By bringing nature into the heart of our built environments, plant walls play a vital role in fostering a deep connection with the natural world and promoting sustainability in our urban landscapes. Discover the benefits of bringing nature indoors with a stunning plant wall design. Bringing nature indoors through a carefully designed plant wall offers numerous advantages, beyond just enhancing the visual appeal of interior spaces. Research indicates that exposure to greenery has positive effects on mental well-being, reducing stress levels, and promoting relaxation. By incorporating living plants into indoor environments, individuals can create tranquil spaces that foster creativity, productivity, and overall feelings of positivity and calm. Studies have shown that indoor plants have the ability to improve air quality by removing harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene from the atmosphere. This natural air purification process enhances respiratory health and overall indoor air quality, leading to a cleaner and healthier living environment. Additionally, plants release oxygen during photosynthesis, further improving the air we breathe indoors and contributing to a sense of freshness and vitality. The presence of greenery indoors has been linked to increased cognitive function and concentration, making plant walls a valuable addition to workspaces, schools, and homes. By connecting with nature within indoor settings, individuals can experience greater mental clarity, enhanced focus, and improved cognitive performance. This connection to nature has been shown to reduce feelings of fatigue and increase energy levels, creating spaces that are conducive to learning, work, and relaxation alike. Furthermore, the design and placement of plant walls indoors can enhance the aesthetics of a space while also serving functional purposes. In addition to their visual appeal, plant walls can act as natural sound absorbers, reducing noise levels and creating a more peaceful and soothing environment. Integrating green elements into interior design not only adds beauty and texture but also contributes to a sense of harmony and balance within living and working spaces. Explore creative ways to arrange different plant species and create a personalized plant wall. When it comes to creating a personalized plant wall, there is a wealth of creative opportunities to explore. Mixing different plant species allows for the development of unique patterns, textures, and colors that can transform any space into a vibrant botanical showcase. By selecting a variety of plants with contrasting characteristics, such as varying leaf shapes, sizes, and growth habits, individuals can craft visually engaging compositions that reflect their personal style and preferences. One creative approach to arranging plant species is to consider the principles of color theory. By combining plants with complementary or contrasting colors, individuals can create harmonious or bold displays that catch the eye and evoke different emotions. For example, pairing warm-toned plants like red and orange with cool-toned greens can create a dynamic and visually striking composition. Additionally, incorporating plants with variegated leaves or brightly colored flowers can add pops of color and interest to the plant wall. In addition to considering color, paying attention to the growth habits and care requirements of different plant species is essential when designing a personalized plant wall. Grouping plants with similar light, humidity, and watering needs together ensures that each species thrives and flourishes within the same environment. This strategic approach not only simplifies maintenance but also helps create a cohesive and healthy plant display that will continue to grow and evolve over time. Another creative way to arrange plant species is to experiment with various planting containers, such as hanging pots, wall-mounted planters, or vertical gardens. Mixing different container styles and sizes adds depth and dimension to the plant wall, creating visual interest and a dynamic sense of movement. Incorporating unconventional planting vessels, like repurposed containers or artistic planters, can further enhance the unique and personalized look of the plant wall, turning it into a true statement piece within any indoor setting. Learn essential tips and tricks for maintaining a thriving and healthy plant wall. Maintaining a thriving and healthy plant wall requires attention to key tips and tricks that can help ensure the long-term success of the botanical display. One essential aspect of plant wall care is consistent monitoring of plant health, including checking for signs of pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies. Regularly inspecting the plants allows for early detection of issues, enabling prompt intervention and treatment to prevent further damage and maintain the overall health of the plant wall. Proper watering practices are crucial for the well-being of plants in a plant wall. Overwatering can lead to root rot and other moisture-related issues, while underwatering can result in wilting and nutrient deficiencies. Understanding the specific watering needs of each plant species and ensuring proper drainage in the planting containers are essential steps in maintaining optimal soil moisture levels and preventing water-related problems that can compromise plant health. In addition to monitoring plant health and watering practices, it is important to provide adequate light exposure for the plants in a plant wall. Different plant species have varying light requirements, with some preferring bright, indirect light and others thriving in low-light conditions. Positioning the plant wall in a location that receives the appropriate amount of sunlight for the majority of the plants ensures that they can photosynthesize effectively and grow vigorously. Supplemental artificial lighting can also be used to compensate for insufficient natural light and promote healthy growth in indoor plant walls. Regular grooming and maintenance tasks, such as pruning, repotting, and fertilizing, are essential for keeping a plant wall in top condition. Removing dead or yellowing leaves, trimming overgrown branches, and repotting plants when they outgrow their containers help improve air circulation, prevent overcrowding, and encourage new growth. Additionally, providing balanced nutrition through periodic fertilization helps replenish essential nutrients in the soil and promotes robust plant growth and vibrant foliage in a plant wall setting. Witness the beauty and serenity that a plant wall can bring to any space. The incorporation of a plant wall in any space can transform the environment, infusing it with natural beauty, tranquility, and a sense of well-being. Research has shown that exposure to indoor plants can have a positive impact on mental health, reducing stress, anxiety, and increasing feelings of relaxation and positivity. The sight of lush greenery and colorful blooms in a plant wall can evoke a sense of connection to nature, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere that enhances overall well-being and productivity. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, plant walls offer practical benefits that contribute to the quality of life in indoor spaces. Plants are known for their air-purifying properties, filtering out pollutants and toxins from the air and improving indoor air quality. By introducing a variety of plant species in a plant wall, it is possible to create a microcosm of natural air purification that helps to reduce airborne contaminants, enhance oxygen levels, and create a healthier indoor environment for occupants. In addition to their visual and air purifying benefits, plant walls also contribute to the acoustic comfort of a space. The leaves, stems, and other plant parts act as natural sound absorbers, helping to reduce noise levels and create a more peaceful and harmonious indoor setting. Integrating a plant wall into interior design not only adds an element of biophilic design but also serves as a functional solution for noise control, particularly in open-plan offices, lobbies, and shared living spaces where sound absorption is essential for improving acoustics and fostering a conducive environment for concentration and relaxation. The presence of a plant wall can also evoke a sense of creativity and inspiration, encouraging individuals to connect with their surroundings, engage with nature, and find moments of contemplation and introspection. Whether in a residential setting, commercial space, or public area, the beauty and serenity of a plant wall can leave a lasting impression, enriching the sensory experience and creating a harmonious balance between the built environment and the natural world. The art of creating a plant wall. Explore the endless possibilities of creating your own plant wall masterpiece and invite nature into your home. Don't miss out on more inspiring plant care tips and ideas. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay connected with us on our green journey. Your plant paradise awaits.